doing? My name is Timba Aguilar. Bienvenidos to the brand new series of Salsa Suelta or Salsa Shines. In this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Italiano Uno. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. Without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start off with Somontuno, nice and slow. We're going to go 5, 6, Somontuno, y 1, 2, 3. Let's do one more. 6, 7, y 1, 2, 3. Italiano Uno. From here, I'm going to start with my left leg. I'm going to go cross on 1, open up on 2, cross on 3, together 4. From here, right foot crosses on 5, out on 6, cross 7, feet together 8, and then Somontuno. 1, 2, 3. Y 5, 6, 7, otra vez. Here we go. Italiano Uno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Somontuno. Y 1, 2, 3. A little bit faster. Y 1, 2, 3. Italiano Uno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, so when doing Italiano Uno, you want to make sure that you're keeping your weight on one foot while the other leg is free. So you want to make sure you're here on Somontuno, 2, 3, 5, 6, Italiano Uno. I have my weight on my right foot, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have my left leg completely free here. Then when I switch on 5, 6, 7, igual, my right foot is free to do the Italiano steps nice and easily, and then back to my Somontuno and 5, 6, 7. The last thing you want to do is the opposite, where you put weight on the foot like this and you're moving your whole body like so, right? That's not the way to do Italiano Uno. You want to make sure it's just the footwork only, not your body. Your body just goes along with it, but I still want to look as cool and smooth as possible, and then back to my Somontuno. All right, so let's try this with music in halftime, and then we'll do it at full speed, all right? Here we go. 5, 6, Somontuno, halftime. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, one more. Y 1, 2, 3. Italiano Uno. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Somontuno. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, one more. Y 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, Italiano Uno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, y Somontuno. And here we go. Double time. And 5, 6, Somontuno. And 1, 2, 3, 5, one more. 1. Italiano Uno. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Italiano Uno. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 y 1. Italiano Uno. Y allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, this will conclude our lesson for our brand new series. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, tap the subscribe button, and hit that bell notification to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen the previous videos, there'll be a nice playlist right here for you, so you can check out all the cool basics we previously learned and then add this brand new footwork into your back pocket. Also, drop a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite moment for this video and what are you looking forward to in the upcoming videos. Until then, my name is Hebert. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.